trying to make further discoveries, trying to carry out further studies to actually understand the depths of these fundamental rights. And as I'm looking at the UDHR, which is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, under Article 10 precisely, there is provision for equality to fair hearing and public hearing. That is where you see that matters are always tried in open court, except in cases where trying that matter openly is going to have any negative or adverse effects on public policy, public order. The court can decide to move that matter into its chambers. Apart from that, matters must be heard in an open court on specified dates and specified places, except on public holidays, according to how the rules of court have also specified, where the courts can decide to, okay, let's move it to a particular place for convenience of the parties. And in fact, both parties must be notified of any change with respect to the date, place of their proceedings. So the UDHR has provided for rights and equality to fair and public hearing. You will not say that this person is poor, this person is rich, this person is like this person is like that. This person is not like this. So you now say, okay, you cannot enter into a court. You cannot try your matter in a court. For you, let us stand outside and try this matter. No way. And I tell people that, look, all these rights that are provided, you can actually apply these rights to your own personal life, to your personal relationships, to your marital relationships, to your contractual relationships, so that whichever form or whichever type of relationship that you're into, you must be heard. You must be heard. Your voice has to be heard. You speak your mind. That thing that is boiling up in your mind, you will say it. And the other person owes you that duty to listen to you, to speak your opinion. You have to be heard. Nobody has the right to shut you down. No. Some people have the habit of, or some people, there are just some people who just feel that they know it all. They know it best. The best option has to come from them. What do you have to say? You too. I am telling you that the law does not encourage such behaviors. The law says everybody has the right to fair hearing. You should be heard. You are saying so. Even if by your own standard you feel that you can adjudge the person to be stupid, to be saying nonsense, let the person be heard first. That is what the law is saying. In your home, let that child be heard. Everybody has a right to be heard fairly. Because when you continuously shut somebody down, before you know, the person will withdraw and just tell himself or herself that, look, after all, it will always be the same consequence. I'll be told to shut up. Nobody will listen. So even when the person has an important contribution to make, he or she will just tell herself or himself, they won't listen to me. They won't take my own opinion. But I'm telling you today that you have the right to fair hearing. It is also contained in our own constitution under Chapter 4, like I've always referenced. Chapter 4 of our what? Constitution. So if somebody denies you opportunity to be heard, that is a violation. You're supposed to be in a meeting. You're supposed to contribute to that meeting. Maybe you raised your hands up, and which everybody is entitled to do in that meeting, or you're entitled to vote, and somebody disallowed you. My dear, that is a violation of your rights. Somebody is telling you always shut up. That is a violation of your rights. I don't want to hear. You have nothing to say. No. Sit down, sit down, sit down. No, you have a right to be heard. This is Xavier Law Essence. Here we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. We'll see you again.